The chief of a vicious tribe was evil Brownie Vader. The only survivors were Brownie, Samuel, and his sister. I got a threat mark. I need another lightsaber. A88 Aqua Breather. All temperature cloak. Food ration. Yup. A glow rod. And Jedi grappling spike launcher.
Sam, why is all of this stuff laying around?
I need to leave. Someone from my past is challenging me to a battle.
What? Why?
I got a threat mark.
Well, these are glow sticks.
Flip it over, silly.
Oh, okay. That's definitely a threat. So where's your weapon?
Yeah, that's a pickle.
Come on, my little Jedi. Let's make you a lightsaber.
Cuckoo!
We're going to need glue gun sticks, a glue gun, green nail polish, and a flashlight.
Not a flashlight, a glow rod!
Fine. First, let's paint the stick green. Just like this. All the way down. It's coming nicely and very colorful.
As Master Yoda would say, subscribe, forget do not.
This side should be dry by now. Yep, not sticky. Okay, let's paint this part too. Stroke by stroke. Almost there. Done! Now I'll leave the lightsaber to dry.
Hey! Careful with my food ration! I'll need it to survive!
So, Sam, what happened?
Oh, it's a story worthy of my memoirs. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there were two slime tribes. The chief of a vicious tribe was evil Brownie Vader. The kind tribe was led by the smartest and prettiest slime of the universe, Samuel Skywalker.
Wait. Are you saying you had been living in space?
Don't interrupt the Jedi! Ugh, what was I saying?
While you're thinking, let's check on our future lightsaber. The stick is dry. Let's move on to the next part.
Moving on to the next part.
I thought you were one of the good guys.
I forgot.
I'll take the flashlight and apply some glue to the top. As usual, guys, be very careful with the glue gun. It's very easy to burn yourself. And then we'll attach the green stick to the flashlight. Now I'll leave it to dry. So, what happened next, Sam?
There was a war. The only survivors were Brownie, Samuel, and his sister.
What, you have a sister?
Do not interrupt me! And where's the lightsaber?
Yep, the glue has dried, and I'll just remove these leftovers with nail scissors. Hey guys, be very careful with these. Awesome! Ugh, if I had bigger sticks, I'd make one for myself. Hey Sam, what do you think?
Wow! There is nothing to be afraid of now! Let me try! Bang! Yeah! Take it like a man! Not bad at all. I just have to practice. I need another lightsaber!
Why?
For you! I just said I needed to practice!
Okay, I'll need another flashlight, glow rod, and one more painted glue stick. I'll put some glue on the flashlight very carefully. And then attach the glue stick to it. All done! Let's just wait. Sam, our viewers and I are very interested to see how your story ends.
Poor Samuel and his sister had to run away. The end. And now he's found me! Is your lightsaber ready?
Almost. It's dry now, and I'll cut off the excess glue here and all around the stick. Just a little bit more. It's ready now. Now that's what I'd call a lightsaber. Guys, which lightsaber do you like the best? Leave a comment below, and if you like both, give it a thumbs up. Bye-bye!
And subscribe! Forget do not! May the Force be with you! Take that!